Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine stepping out with a bold, vibrant lip color that not only stands out, but also nourishes your lips all day long. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're talking about MAC's Powder Kiss Lipstick in the stunning shade of 935 Ruby, a product that promises to deliver both striking color and lasting hydration. Let's dive into whether it really lives up to the hype. The MAC Powder Kiss Lipstick in Ruby is part of the brand's innovative Powder Kiss range, which is designed to provide the comfort of a balm with the bold finish of a matte lipstick. It boasts a unique formula that promises to blur fine lines, smooth the lips, and deliver instant hydration. With its lightweight texture and rich color payoff, this lipstick is marketed as perfect for those looking for a comfortable, long-wearing matte look. When I first tried the Powder Kiss lipstick, I was immediately struck by how easy it was to apply. The texture is velvety smooth, almost mousse-like, and it glides on effortlessly without tugging at your lips. It's lightweight but still gives off full color. As someone who's not always a fan of matte formulas that can feel drying, I was pleasantly surprised by how moisturizing it felt, almost like a balm. Even after hours of wear, my lips didn't feel parched or uncomfortable. A major win. In terms of real-world use, I tested this lipstick throughout the day, wearing it to work, during meetings, and even out for lunch. While it didn't withstand through greasy food or heavy sipping, it did impress in terms of its wearability and overall look. After a few hours, I noticed the color did fade evenly without patching or making my lips look uneven. Plus, the blurring effect was noticeable. It helped smooth out some of the fine lines I tend to get around my lips, giving a softer, more youthful appearance. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of this product. The pros are definitely in the formula. First and foremost, the hydration factor really stands out in a matte lipstick. Most matte formulas can leave lips feeling tight, but this one doesn't do that at all. The color payoff is rich, and the formula feels luxe, like a soft velvet cushion on your lips. It's also versatile. Ruby is a beautiful, classic red that's perfect for both day and night looks. On the flip side, there are a few cons to note. While the lipstick is comfortable, the wear time isn't as long-lasting as I hoped. After a meal or two, you'll need to reapply to keep the color intact. Additionally, the packaging is elegant, but feels a bit light for the price point. A more solid case could give it a more premium feel. When it comes to value for money, you're paying for the MAC brand, which is known for quality and performance. The formula definitely lives up to MAC's reputation for luxurious, high-performance cosmetics. However, considering the price, I wouldn't necessarily call it an everyday lipstick unless you're willing to reapply throughout the day. For a higher-end lipstick that feels as good as it looks, it's still a good buy, but keep in mind the reapplication factor. If you're looking for alternatives in the same price range that offer long-lasting wear with a similar hydrating feel, I'd recommend checking out Fenty Beauty's Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. It's also a creamy matte with great color payoff, and you might find that it lasts a little longer. In terms of build quality, this lipstick ticks the boxes for performance and feels well made. It's lightweight and easy to travel with, though I wish the packaging felt a little more substantial. The formula, however, is what truly makes this product shine. As for longevity, the lipstick's hydration benefits last throughout the day, but you'll need to top up on the color as the hours pass. I've yet to interact with MAC's customer service, but given the brand's reputation, it's safe to say they likely offer good support for any issues you may have. To wrap things up, the MAC Powder Kiss Lipstick in Ruby does exactly what it promises, delivering comfort, hydration, and a gorgeous color that's perfect for any occasion. It's ideal for those who want the rich payoff of a matte lipstick without the drying side effects. That being said, it's not the longest-lasting lipstick out there, so keep that in mind if you're looking for something with all-day wear. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in. If you've used the MAC Powder Kiss Lipstick in Ruby, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.